episode of Mexican cooking. Today we're going to be making salsa cacahuate, which is a peanut salsa. It's really a great salsa to make. You can accompany this salsa with pozole, which is amazing. If you've never tried it, you have to try it. You can go ahead and press the link up here to see how I make pozole. So today, the ingredients that we'll be using, we'll have 20 chiles de arbol, which is a very hot chili. We'll have some peanuts, which is a 1/4 cup of peanuts, a 1/4 cup of water, 3 garlic cloves, salt to taste. We'll have some olive oil, and then we'll have a small pinch of oregano, and then just a bit of, really some drops of vinegar. You can use apple cider vinegar or any type of vinegar, but just a little just to take the edge off. We hope you enjoy this particular recipe today. Once you've toasted your peanuts, your garlic, and your chile, you want to go ahead and bring out your blender. It's really important that when you put in the chili goes in last, and you take it off the heat immediately. You do not want chile de árbol to burn. It could burn very, very quickly. Make sure that you do peel your peanuts before you put them in. You never know, there might be some people that put them in whole. Make sure you peel them completely. You bring it over to your blender. You go ahead and drop it into your blender with your chili and everything. You add in a drop of vinegar, and I really mean just a drop of vinegar. You get a pinch of oregano, a small amount, and then a small amount of salt. Okay, you could always add more and adjust the flavoring afterwards. If you have to, you go ahead and put in your 1/4 cup of water. When you're if you need to add water, you could add more water afterwards. But please make sure that after you've blended it, go ahead and taste it. You can adjust the flavoring. A little more vinegar perhaps, a little bit or more oregano, and a little bit more salt perhaps. But you adjust the flavoring as you like, and the thickness of it. You don't want it too thin. It has to be thick. This is a thicker salsa. Now that you've completed to blend everything together, it's really important throughout your process to add salt when needed. I had to add a lot more water, oregano, and then you just test it over and over and to see what the consistency is. Also, it will be a hot chile, okay? Just to let you know. I use this in pozole, and again, it's an incredible flavor when you use salsa de cacahuate, which is salsa de peanuts in the pozole. An incredible flavor. So this is the consistency of what you want it to be. When you're done with your pozole, in this case, you just drip it on top, and it's an amazing flavor. Again, if you'd like to know how to make pozole, just click the link up here, and that'll lead you to the step-by-step instructions on how to make homemade pozole. Thank you very much for viewing our video today. If you liked our video, go ahead and click like and subscribe to our channel. We hope to see you at our next video.